Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the date format conversion. That is, if you give the dd yyyy format, that if you want to convert into dd yyyy format, so that is the video for the, to convert that one. So let's take first of all date picker. Next, before this one, let's take label. I'll tell meanwhile what is the purpose of this conversion also. Here we can give the name is something like publish date, something publish date or select date, whatever it may be. You can give any name, any label, select date or choose date. After that, let's give the break here for understanding purpose only. And in the date picker, we can give the props, that is selected, which is equals to, we can take the date as a state variable. This variable we are taking here. Already two state variables are declared, date and date value. So next, here date format. Date format is initially, what is the date format? Let's take that dd slash capital mm slash 4y's. Then if you do any on click, that means on change event, then we need to take the date and put into the state variable. So handle, here let's take the date actual parameter, it is the, we can handle the date, handle date, and pass that actual parameter, that is date from here, and declare the, define a function here, const control V. We should take this as a arrow function, take it as arrow function, and get that data into this method, set date. Here at the same time, we can take it as data, already we passed here from here, date. Here we can take it as a dt or something else, as per your convenience you can use this like this. Then in case here, let it is in the format, dt is in the format, time, date, everything it will come, so that we need to convert that into dd yyyy format first of all. So for that purpose, if you print this one consolidate.dd, you can understand that. Control C and CLZ, control V. Let's check it how it is going to display. So let's take one date, select any date. Look here, Monday, June 12th 2023, and in time format, standard format it is doing, but it is not actually dd yyyy format. We need to do conversion here. So for that purpose, what can we do here? First of all, let's take the let variable dd yyyy format, which is equals to the to dt, which is, if it is equal to null, then keep it is that empty. Otherwise let's call one function, that is normal date format, normal date format. Then dt will pass here. After finally, if you get that value, put that value into this set date val. Control V and set this value into this ddmm Control C and Control V here, paste here. And the two, we need to convert this, we need to write the another function outside of this. The two, we can take it as a constant type. Control V, let's take arrow function for this and get the date and write down the arrow function, and we need to do conversion here. What we can do, return turn, return d. If something same, if it comes any other than this required format, we can return it. Otherwise, if it is a null or an empty as it is, we can return it. So before that, if d is not null, undefined, so that we can do return the required format. What is the format? That is ddmmyy format. So for that purpose, we need to do that here. Small thing, return in that parenthesis 0 will pass. After that, concatenate with 0 concatenate with d dot get date. After that, we need to do that dot slice the 2 minus 2. That is the 2, we need to do like this. That's it. And now concatenate with, again for month, 0 plus, that means concatenation, the 2 month, it should be converted into number, number, number. Within this, d dot get month, need to get here. And for this, we should add plus 1, that means number d dot get month. For this number, we need to add the plus 1. After that, do the slicing. Finally, we can do slice, sli, so dot slice the 2 minus 2. That means last 2 digits it is going to consider as that, and concatenate that. Here one thing we need to do, that concatenation with a slash. Here also same thing, concatenate with a slash. After that, concatenate with the month. After that, concatenate with date. Finally, d dot get full year yeah, we got this one. Then let's display this, whether it is giving correct date format or not. Console it, control space, get the value ddmm format, control V, comma, control V. Then what's the warning here? Date value. Okay, no problem. And let's check this. Select a date. for example 13. So 13/6/2023, yeah, 13. So here it is not adding correct month, so something is missed here, so we need to do that correct braces here so that it is going to slice it. Yeah, now it will come, no problem. Look here, again we'll select it 13. So 13/6/2023, 13 means dd/d mm/yyyy format it is coming, so that is we can assign to this set date value. So here now we need to do that our actual aim dd/yyyy format. For that purpose, let's call one method here. Let's take this date if it is available and then call this function, that is mmddYY, that means change conversion we need to do dd mmyyyy to mmddYYY, handle it, that means method we need to write. So conversion or change, whatever it may be, we can write it. Convert C capital, convert, then write it and pass the date value, yeah. Then for this we need to write down the function or method here. Yep, here let's take constant definition is arrow function will follow, then use that arrow function, and inside of this we need to get the value each format it is coming, dd mmyy format, we need to convert it into some kind of format, d we can take it d. So in this we need to check it, if d is there, if d is there then get the value, otherwise return d. Yeah, here we can return the d if it is not a date format. As it is, whatever it is coming can send it back to. Next here let's take let date split, will use split, date split, which is equal to d dot split, split, split of slash is there, no, in between the dates, we will split that slash. Let's console it what is in this date split. After that further things we can do by looking this one, we'll look inside this what it contains. Now control V, that's it. And is there any console is available here? Deleted, yeah, okay, only one console. Now let's select 14/6/2023 is coming. Here you see we have splitted that 14/06/2023 converted into as array of strings. Now we can do further things. So it is we can consider it is 0th element 14, 06 is a second element, I mean one position is 1 and 2023 is position 3, 0th element, first element, second element, like this. So we need to cascade these to date and month. So how we can cascade those? Let's check here and look here. Can Control X, delete it, and how we can return? return, return will directly return that value, date split of one position month is there, and concatenate with slash, after that date split of 0th position is dd, and concatenate with slash is there, and some concatenation we missed here, that's why showing error. And then give a space, and here finally concatenate with date split, which is in second element. So finally we achieved this. Now we'll check it in application. Now select any date, for example 17 dd 06 mm 2023 year. So 6 is now it is showing in the front side, 17 is showing in the middle of slashes, and 2023. So that means now it is converted dd mm 4y means yyyy to mm dd year format. So this is the logic what we have done here. First install this library, import these, and declare state variables. Here handle the date whatever you are selecting and convert them into our required format, normal date format, and that is we are doing here normal format conversion and assign into set date value. After that, after getting this, we are converting into required scenario format, that is mmdd yyyy format. As usually label we are using date picker, date selected, date format, and event handling, and finally conversion done. This is the conversion we have done here. That's it friends. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.